Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your recovery phrase in Coinbase. So first step is to open wallet settings. So first open your Coinbase Wallet application, and on the main screen, just tap on the settings icon. So this is usually a cog wheel, so it looks something like this one, located in the top right corner of the application. Next step is to find security menu. So inside the settings menu, look for an option named security or security and privacy, and just tap on into it to open the security options. Next is select recovery phrase. So in the security section, you will also see an option labeled recovery phrase or secret phrase. So just tap this option. So the application will ask for your password or biometric, which is face ID or fingerprint. To continue, this is to protect your account. Next is just a critical warning. The application will show a critical warning, so please read it carefully. So here is what it will show you. So never share this phrase with anyone. And also the Coinbase support will also never ask for it. And anyone with this phrase can steal all your funds. So you must acknowledge this warning to proceed. Lastly is the view and backup. So after warning, the application will display your 12-word recovery phrase. So you can write these words down on a paper in a correct order, 1 to 12. So, and you can also store them in a secure private online location, and you must not screenshot it. Do not save it in your notes app or email. So this is your only backup, so you must keep it in a safe and secure location. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!